Hey y'all, so I am going to style my lock knots. These are the 18-inch. I did the invisible root method, so they kind of got a little longer than 18 inches, but that's okay. I did a little cutting, not too much, just to where it's all even. But we are going to do, I'm gonna try and do a lock petal bun. So what you'll need, I like to use this is a pantyhose. What is it called? The pantyhose. The things you slip on. I forgot. But I like to use this to wrap my ponytail. And then I have a lot of rubber bands. We'll need a lot of rubber bands. So I'm gonna flip my hair and put it up in a top bun. And then I'll come back.
Can we slip up and mix up sometimes? You say it don't mean it, just wonder when it's gonna be. Am I crazy for waiting on my side? Now you calling me special when you know I can't have you. When I'm on to the next one, oh, now you won't get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me bleed? Nightmares turn into a dream. If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. Phone me like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back.
Okay, y'all. Woo! So this is the last part. I know I'm kind of out of frame, so let me try to scoot down some. What I'm doing is I'm just folding it 3 times and just putting a rubber band on it. And then I'm gonna fluff the petals out. I don't have any bobby pins, so I'm not gonna use them. You guys can feel free if you want to, but this is just for demonstrating purposes only. So I'll fold it once, take my rubber band, I wrap it around twice, and then I flip it, fold it again, and do the same thing. And then lastly, do the same thing with this piece. Try to tuck whatever pieces that are sticking out if you can. Okay, and now you have your lock petal bun, and I'm just gonna separate it, like open up the petals just to try to cover the rubber bands. Of course I can't see in the back, but still trying to open them up, separate them. I don't have any, yes I do. I do have some safety pin or bobby pins, but I don't think I need it. Like if this was a client, then yeah, but no. Okay, so now we're gonna focus on the lock knots. So I think I want it to hang, say about right here. So I'm just gonna fold it right here. And then I'm gonna take the remaining portion and wrap down. this out the way. Wrap down, wrap down, wrap down, wrap down, wrap down. If you don't like all of this hanging, you can redo it. I'm not going to because I'm just trying to get this done hot. Okay, so there's that lock knot, and then I want to do the same thing to my front. Just guesstimate how much you can wrap down. You can always unravel it. Wrapping down. And then you want to secure it with a rubber band. And we're going to do the same thing. Just want to make sure that they're even. Fold it up. And then we're going to wrap down. Just like that. Okay, so this is a little bit longer, so I'm gonna do it over. See how easy that was? Try to get this right. And then wrap down. Everybody's going crazy because I just posted my hair on my story just down without it styled. So everybody's gonna be excited about this because I love this hairstyle. Even though I feel like Ronnie from the Players Club or whatever, it's cool or whatever. And this ain't even, it's not as heavy as I thought it would be, which I'm happy. That's why I didn't put so many locks in my head. Like I said, I have 63 locks in my head. The time before this, my black ones that I got done by someone else, I ended up with like 80 locks, and they were heavier. I just wanted it to be as light as possible because I work out and stuff. So, but yeah, you guys, this is the style that I'm going to wear first. When it gets old, well, not when it gets old, but probably in a couple of days, I'm going to come back and I am going to do the lock knot bob, my favorite. But I wanted to come on here and do my face, and you have to be careful with makeup. I need to get some good setting spray. That's what's wrong. That's why my makeup had rubbed off a few years ago. But yeah. Anyway, let me know if you guys like this tutorial. If you're loving this hairstyle, please let me know. If you are in the DFW area, let me know. I will hook you up if you would like. I am working at DFW Beauty Studio. So yeah, my Instagram is _hairdesigner. If you guys are interested, you can book in my link that's in my bio over on Instagram. I'll also put my link in the description box as well so that you guys can book from here. Yeah, I didn't think about that. But still, follow my hair page, you guys. Spread the word. I'm going to do a 360 for you guys so that you can see. Okay, y'all, let me give y'all another 360. I had to go back and put some bobby pins in it, open up some petals a little bit. You guys can do that too, because I didn't like the way that it looked when I previously recorded. So I'm going to do the 360 for y'all so that y'all can see what I'm working with, what we working with. Okay, yes, I am loving this, period. Okay, this is what the girls be doing, you know what I'm saying, caressing the hair or whatever. Can we get a good shot? I mean, because I'm loving it. Are y'all loving it? I definitely love my hair, y'all. Even though I'm feeling like Ronnie from the Players Club, but it's cool though. It's cool. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you in another video. Y'all comment below and let me know if y'all like this, if y'all want to see another color. Should I do another bold color or what? Y'all let me know. Or another style. And I'll see y'all in my next upload. Bye.